At this point and juncture of our very historic meeting, and accepting the fact that we have developed many internal problems in Congress, necessitating our restoring public trust and confidence, we are moving that we declare the position of Speaker vacant and ready for occupation.
It is my honor and privilege to nominate a distinguished and most qualified man to the position of the Speaker of the House of Representatives. A gentleman of the highest order. For God and our country, 1521, I respectfully nominate Representative Lord Alan Velasco for the position of Speaker of the House of Representatives. I so move.
We're okay. We will continue to help. But right now, verbally, I am tendering my irrevocable resignation as the Speaker of the House of the Republic of the Philippines.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate President Pro Tem.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Illegal po. Actually po, hindi nila ako tinanggal. Naglagay ng acting. Senator Win, Lucian, ingat kayo dyan. You're playing around with fire. This is not just about the Senate. This is about the Philippine Constitution. I am still the legitimate, legal, moral Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines.